welcome to my channel. My name is Rosie, and today I'm super excited to unbox this beautiful canvas that fortunately I was able to get pretty quickly. This is a new release from a couple weeks ago, and when I placed the order I thought, okay, it's going to be a pre-order because diamonddartclub has been doing that for they're pretty much out of stock. Fortunately, this one got pushed out and I was like, yay! And at the time of the new releases, this is the only one I ordered because I really wanted this canvas. This wonderful canvas is called Dark Sky Lotus by Yuumei Art, and it's a 22 by 33 inch or 55.6 by 83.7 centimeters. As I stated before, it's a diamondart canvas. And as you can see, it's a round shaped diamond. Apologies, my space is limited, so I can't move the canvas so much. But I am going to lift it so you can see the beautiful image. Beautiful dark lotuses with the white ones comparing next to it. It's so pretty. And you can see a larger image of the art itself. diamonddartclub boxes have the art wrapped around on the top of the box with this little sleeve. You can just slip it off and it'll just be a pink box. But I love keeping them wrapped. So I love seeing all of the art. On one side, it does let you know the information about the wonderful canvas. This wonderful canvas has 49 colors, which include 2 AB Aurora Borealis diamonds, 1 iridescent diamond, and 3 fairy dust diamonds. Once this canvas is completed, a total of 61,408 diamonds have been placed. It really isn't that big because I thought it was going to be larger, but I love it's a little bit more narrow than wide. And I love canvases that are more height. Hopefully that makes sense. And since I'm such in a weird angle, at the bottom of the box is a small image of the canvas. So it's really useful for whenever you're, stacking your collection of paintings. For me, I love that they included that because it does make it easier to see when you're trying to figure out which is the next painting you're going to work on. I'm going to pull it out of the box real quick because it's kind of big. So this is the wonderful canvas, as you can see, and label sheet and the toolkit. Apologies, let me take off this glove because I was actually painting earlier and I forgot to take it off. Sorry for that. So let me put the box aside real quick so I can get it back in. And there we go. So, as you can see, diamonddartclub canvases, and I'm actually going to leave it out just so we can see it and let it rest. Let me put the other items aside real quick. And they do come in a dustproof bag, and it is resealable, but myself, I have such a habit of carrying it, so I have to be careful. And I know it's a darker tone canvas, but it's so beautiful, and I love the art. And when they showed the rendering, I knew I had to pick it up. I'm a big Yuumei Art fan, so I own a lot of her in my collection. So when I saw this one, I thought, ooh, perfect. And it's a floral, so it worked perfect for me. So, let me unroll it. Ooh, oh yay, it's not as wide as I was kind of expecting. Let me fix my lighting because it's kind of in the way a bit. It's keeping me from rolling it out. I'm trying not to drop things. Ooh, I don't know. I have a habit of putting cover minders on my light. One of my lights because it's a metal bar, so I just like having them hanging there. Oh, this is so pretty. Within it, they do roll the diamonds. So I'm being careful not to drop them. We'll go through these in a moment. And I'm actually going to roll it the opposite way just so we can help it lay flat. diamonddartclub canvases are made of a special material that makes it really sturdy, really soft, but it really helps the canvas lay flat after a while. So if I were just to leave it there anywhere on a straight surface, it will straighten out, but I want to see the painting. And it is a poured glue canvas, so no issues happens to the canvas if you roll it the opposite side. And oh my goodness, as you can see, so beautiful canvas. As I stated, it is a dark tone, but I really love it. Oh, it's so pretty. I think I can get it all on screen. And there we go. Oh, I love these blues. We'll talk about the wonderful, possibly 310 background. Oh my goodness, it's not 310. Plot twist. We'll go through that in a moment. So, Diamond Art Club does include their redesigned tilt kits. I'm not going to go through them because I repeat a lot whenever I do the tilt kits. So, if you're ever curious of what's included, any other unboxings I've done of other canvases or any other unboxings of anywhere else for Diamond Art Club, you'll see the tilt kits and you'll be able to see what's included. They're always the same, so there's no differences to them. And this wonderful envelope has the little label sheet. Since this is just one of my canvases in the collection, I'm going to try to see if I can go quick. And it does include, yay, a treasure quest card. As you can see, it's the beautiful art of the painting, and they're just collectibles the Diamond Art Club has included. So it's the wonderful art, all the information about it. In the back, it lets you know what card type it is. This wonderful card is a bronze. And the way it works is there are 4 different types of cards. There's a bronze, silver, gold, and black. Black being the rarest. And once you've collected a certain number of cards, you can submit the codes, which you can scratch off here. And you can submit them for gift cards and other items. Myself, I just really love collecting the cards. Oh, this is so pretty. And I own a lot of bronze, so I don't mind. As I stated, I just like collecting them. On the inside, there's information about tips and tricks and step-by-step instructions, especially if you're new to the craft. QR codes for the official VIP Diamond Art Club site, as well as QR codes for the official Diamond Art Club app. And just for transparency, I can't even say the word. I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate, and I do have a code. It is Rose10, and when that code is ever used for your first ever Diamond Art Club purchase, $10 are taken off the order. And just for some extra transparency, once that code is used, I do get a small little commission, but do not worry, they always go back to the channel because I love diamond painting sale. And this is the label sheet. So as you can see, it has all the information of the name of the canvas and wonderful little diamond sticker. On the inside, the beautiful palette of all of the colors. Oh my goodness, I really love these colors. And they're not as dark as I thought. Huh, that is really cool. They are pre-cut and adhesive. They're super hardcore. I can't even pick them up. Oh, there you go. As you can see, which I really love because I use them whenever I'm kitting up when I'm going to start the painting. 49 colors. That's not bad. I thought for sure they'd be around the 60 range, but I love that it's that many diamonds. I love the random yellow. And at the back, a small image of the wonderful art, which is also pre-cut and adhesive. I do like using this for my physical logbook, so I love that this is included. Information of the wonderful painting and an end start date when you start the painting. I really like that. So let's quickly go through the canvas, and I'm going to try my hardest to see if I can get all on screen. So on the top, it has the company's motto, Do What Makes You Sparkle, and Diamond Art Club. On the top left, I'll push it back up. And I need to remember to record in a bigger space. I'm just kind of limited right now, so that's why it's kind of like this. And on the lower right, a full legend of the colors. Big fan of that, because if you're turning the canvas around, don't worry, you'll always see the legend. And we roll it back up. Sorry, it's so funny, I have to keep doing that. On the lower right corner, information about the customer service, and the canvases have a lifetime warranty. If you have any issues with the diamonds or any issues with the canvases, do not worry. They will always help you out. They really do. They've done it before. And in the middle of the canvas, a 10% discount code for your next Diamond Art Club purchase, as well as information about their social media and their hashtag as well. And on the lower left of the corner, a small thumbprint of the beautiful art and all of the information about the painting. I love the little thumbprint because I do use it every now and then when I'm painting to compare colors, make sure I'm doing it right. Diamond Art Club does put really sturdy plastic on their canvases, and the stick Whoa, goodness, never no joke. Literally lost my thumbprint there. And Diamond Art Club does include on their wonderful canvases perforated cover sheets. Oh my goodness, it takes me a bit to say that. Meaning it has a little bitty cuts in the canvas, so they're pre-sized. And all you have to do is find one section you're going to work on, and you can just tear it along the lines. And as you all saw, the gray lines are actually on the plastic. They're not on the canvas. And when I lifted it, you saw that. I'm a big fan of that. And it makes it a lot easier if you don't wish to use release paper or any other method. You can just be tearing along while you're painting. And I just cannot stop looking at these greens. They're so pretty. So I am going to try again, see if I can get it all on camera. That was so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love these flowers. As you all know, florals are my favorite canvases. Oh, this is so pretty. And it's so much color blocking, as you can see in the background. Some of the flowers as well. So if I were to kit up and start working on it, I think I can complete it real quickly. And it is a little smaller than I thought for me, because I know it might be a little bit larger for other painters. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I should unbox it. And just because I couldn't get it all, well, I think I got it all on screen, but if you want to see it a little more clearly, I'm going to put an image here in the middle of the screen, just so you can see all of the wonderful beauty of this really gorgeous canvas. Oh my goodness, I really like it. And so for the diamonds. And the Diamond Art Club does include identifiers on the diamond. So if you store your paintings and your diamonds at 2 different locations, do not worry. They always find each other. Oh, I really like that. And oh my goodness, that is such a dark cinnamon roll. I love this palette. It's so pretty. I love the dark blues, the dark greens, ooh, especially the dark teal. The color I kept thinking was 310. It's not. It's 939. Ooh, it's a plot twist. I thought for sure it would have been 310. So if it's 939, which is a really nice dark blue, 310 is a black color, I really like that. And it would make sense. It would contrast really well against the lighter blue. Oh, this is really, really pretty. And actually, give me one moment. Okay, sorry about that. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Uh-oh, I'm really thinking about this one. Oh, and there's lighter pinks in the middle. As you can see, there's lighter tones. I really like it. And it's corresponding to this little white flower. That is really cool. So I'm not going to open it. I don't usually open them anymore unless I'm going to work on it. But we will go through to see where the specials are. So give me a moment. I need to go find the label sheet. Okay, sorry about that. Since it's kind of a large canvas, I'm going to use the label sheet to help us out. So the first special diamond, AB996. It's a really nice dark blue. It's a capital P. And it's here in these little glowing dots. As you can see in the little middle part where it's dark blue, it's that wonderful AB. It's so cute. I love those little dots. And the next AB, AB5200, it's a little dark spot, a little square dot, anything you see with white. So majority of it is on the wonderful white flowers. As you can see, the white lining in the petals here, and also on top on the other flower. But majority of it is on this flower. Oh, I really like that. Next color, L972, which is our luminescent diamond. I believe it's kind of their crystal diamond. It's a really nice mustard yellow, and it's a dot with a line. To me, I always think it looks like a baton or a staff, however you want to see it. And it's super sporadic. It's here, majority of it here in this little center part, this little confetti yellow sections. This is that beautiful diamond. I really like it. Next one, Z597, which is a fairy dust, a really beautiful teal, and it's the TP symbol. And this one, it's really interesting where they put it. It's here on the stem of the flower. I'm sorry, stem of the flowers, and a little bit lining some of the leaves. It's majority of it on this leaf, and another leaf that's, oh no, apologies. Little bit of this large flower. It's kind of sporadic, so I kind of like that. Next one, Z3326, a wonderful little asterisk sign, and it's a really, really pastel kind of pink. And this one, again, is on the white flowers. As you can see, there's this red-pink tint surrounding the petals. I really like that it's there. And finally, Z3746, a nice dark kind of purple blue, and it's a capital N. This one is interesting because I thought majority of it would be in the flowers. No, it's some of it is here on the base of this flower. Apologies, I hear a plane. That's why no, it passed by. And here on this large flower, it's in the under petals, so you can see all of this dark purple. Fairy dust is going to be on this big flower. Oh my goodness, I love that. And yeah, that's all of the specials. I was super happy I was able to locate them real quick. And this, the dark background color, it is, let me see. Oh, cannot find the number real quick. Yep, I was right. All of the background, it is 939, not 310. I was super, super surprised by that. I really, really thought it was 310. I'm really thinking of kitting this one up and putting it as one of my 26 for 26 challenge canvases because it's 49 colors. And as you all can see, this wonderful canvas, the majority of it is color blocking. And it's more vertical than horizontal. So I can pretty much fit it anywhere that I want to paint, especially when I'm painting at work. So stay tuned. I'll let you all know if I decide to kit this one up because it's so, so pretty. And I love the blues. And I love that it's a round, so I'm a lot faster. And I really want to see how this white flower comes out because it's such a beautiful contrast to all the dark tones. I'm really excited about that. Everything I showed today for this wonderful canvas, I'll put in the description below. If maybe a nice dark lotus is your cup of tea as well. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like it. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Yep, emoji time. And of course, it's a flower. I'm not too sure they have a lotus emoji, but they have so many different flower emojis, so I think they're all nice. I just really love flowers. You can put them in the comment below. It lets me know you're kind enough to watch the video all the way to the end. Thank you so much for that, and I really do appreciate it. Now, I really have to put this away because I'm really, really wanting to get it up. I'll keep you all updated about all of that. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.